Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating, this is the Finlandia, measured 107 to H. That's your audition spot. I'm going to go through it slow in sections. So the beginning, it's not hard. You bridge your first finger, low first finger on your A and D. So. Then you're gonna, it's kind of a shift, but not really. You're gonna move your second finger to a high 2 on the G string. So, then you go. Okay, so I'm gonna try to play it a little faster. The next part's a lot easier. So that's that part. All right, then here we go at G. Again, not really hard. You just have to kind of hear the notes. So pick up. You do that, da 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 da, and then yeah. All right, so you're just kind of going down a scale. So just remember what key you're in right here. So. And then your next note is an octave above that low E flat. So then, here the triplets start. So I talked about this before, that your 2 and your 3 are going to be close together, and the whole step between your 1 and a 2. So you find that note. So then you just do, then you shift down to kind of half position, and then you shift up to an A natural, then back to first, okay, so the triplets. Here's your note you start on, E flat, then that's an A natural, so let me try it a little faster. I make no promises. And then you do it again. So that's that part.